Lose your job tomorrow. Lose your savings. Lose everything. There's one skill that rebuilds it all, and you were never taught it. Forget degrees, forget connections, forget luck. One skill separates the rich from everyone else, and it's hiding in plain sight. It's called value creation, period. Nobody pays you for time, they pay you for problems solved. Small problem, small money. Massive problem, massive money. That's the entire game. Schools train you to follow orders, not create value. Get a degree, get a job, stay quiet. That's why most people stay broke. They were trained to be employees, not problem solvers. The coder who saved the company hours, the creator who teaches something in 60 seconds, the seller who fixes someone's worst day. Every single dollar traces back to one thing: value delivered. Find one problem today, solve it, badly if you must. Get feedback, fix it again. The market teaches faster than any school ever will. Stop chasing money, start creating value. Money isn't the goal, it's the result. Master this, and you'll never be broke again.